Hey guys, welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can download the extension for NordVPN. Now you see we already have the app on NordVPN, but if you don't want to use it to block everything on your computer and you just want to use it for your current browser, I will be able to show you how to just do that extension. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing to do is go ahead and go to FireFox. And you can simply just go to google.com and you can type in NordVPN. And then you'll see some ad versions, ignore those and actually scroll down to the actual NordVPN site. And here's Firefox just prompted me about this. And right now I'm currently not protected, and that's fine. I'll probably blur this out from you. And from there I'm going to choose this feature where it says VPN apps. Again, this is not a free program. You actually have to pay for this subscription. The prices are very low. It's pretty much like $2.99 for 3 years worth. So pretty much $107.55. And it could go down by 2 year, 1 year, or if you want to pay for 1 month. But trust me, this is an excellent feature, the program that you use for NordVPN, and I would really recommend for you to choose this one. So once you get there, you'll choose VPN apps. And you'll see a list on the top. By default, it's using Windows. That's what I'm currently using. See Android, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android TV, Linux, Chrome, and right next to it is Firefox. From going to there, you can press Add to Firefox, and I'll bring that extension. Now, a second option you can do like this. I know Firefox usually has this feature called Add-ons, and from there you see Extensions, which is at the same location. And then from there, you'll pretty much type in NordVPN. And here is the NordVPN extension for privacy and security. Since it's been down for more than 51,000 times for users. And you can click the Add to Firefox. Now you see that 1 star, it's pretty much they don't pay for the subscription. So again, be sure that you pay for that subscription for this to work. Once there, you'll choose Add to allow it to be installed. And it allows this program to run in private windows. And I will go ahead and allow that. I got it. So we already have the systems installed. NordVPN has my system that's unprotected. I'm going to go ahead and sign in and hide this from showing you what it is for security. But once I get there, you have an option where you're going to choose a different country, different locations. You can choose United States, and there you go. It's pretty much connected. So now I'm going to refresh this link. And it tells you that I'm now protected. It's protecting me from the system. And just to show you the truth, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in what's my IP. And here it is, letting you know this is not my IP. You can go ahead and try it as much as you want. You will never get there. And that's pretty much it. Whenever you don't want this anymore, I will go ahead and exit out. And I'm going to go ahead and just disconnect. I would refresh this link again. And here it tells me that I'm unprotected. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.